Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name's Jada and I post whatever I want on this channel. Summer has come to an end. I know, it's so sad. School has started and it's becoming cold again, and it's really sad. I mean, it's not cold where I live, it should be, but it's not. Although I am kind of sick of this heat that I've been living in. The cold is coming fast. And I'm pretty sure we can all agree that summer vibes are just the best. No school, no worries, just partying for like 3 months. Summer is just a good time, and for me personally, I would like to look like summer. People see you on the streets, say, hey, she looks like summer. Like that, I want that to be me. So today I'm doing a makeup look, kind of. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna be showing you how to look like summer all year long.
Roses red, violets blue, but who gives a damn?
To start off, we want our skin to be glowing, okay? So you want to get a what did I just say? You want to get a skincare routine set up. Let me know if you want to see a skincare routine, because I only go crazy full out skincare like once or twice a week. So it's kind of like my spa night routine, kind of. But yeah, we want our eyelashes long, we want our skin glowing. My skin is really bad right now. It just happens, you know? Next, I have my hair crimped from braids. I feel like this is just like beachy waves. This is kind of like fake beachy waves, but it's because my hair is literally like straight as a board. Now I'm gonna show you makeup routine. It's kind of like a no makeup routine, but it's no makeup summer makeup routine. To start, we don't want it to look like we have a full face of makeup. I'm just gonna use this concealer just to cover up some things, but not my whole face. We don't want that, no. Also, I've done a few makeup routines like this, or a few makeup looks, but I am not good at makeup in the slightest. This is just me improving, pretending to know everything, but I really don't. Okay, next I'm gonna go straight to eyebrows. So I think I've talked about this before. I like to use powder for my eyebrows. It just keeps it more natural. It's not such fine, harsh lines, you know? That's where I will call it good. Just when they're filled out and consistent throughout my whole eyebrow. All right, so I'm just using this blush brush, Lisa Frank contour, and I'm just putting this in the hollows of my cheeks. I love the sunburnt look, you know, just like sun-kissed summer girl, you know what I'm talking about? So I'm taking this Tarte blush in the color Quirky, and I'm putting this like where you would get sunburnt. So like right under your eyes, and then on your nose, and then on your forehead a little bit. This is totally an optional thing. I mean, all of it is optional, but you know how you just get more freckles in the summer? I'm gonna make faux freckles. I'm using these colors right here, and I'm using a bobby pin. I'm just dipping it in and then putting it on my face. And I want to use different shades, not just the same ones over and over again. And it's okay if they end up coming a little dark. You want different sizes. Just kind of just go with it for now. Don't forget your nose and the side of your nose. Okay, so it looks kind of scary. I guess it's not scary, and you might like this, but to me it's just a little too artificial. With this blush brush again, I'm just gonna go through and dab everywhere that I went, or that I put freckles on. Yeah, so they're still there, they're just a little more faint and look a little more natural, and you still have that blush and that sun-kissed look on them as well. I'm taking this highlighter by The Balm and this blending eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna put this on the peaks of my cheekbones, and then on the peak of my lips, down my nose. And for a finishing touch, I'm taking that again and dusting it over my eyelids. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then apply a very thin coat of mascara. This is by Mary Kay, just Mary Kay color brown, so it looks a little more natural. Okay, so now that is all for the makeup. I realized that it can get really cold in the places that you live. I'm lucky enough to live in a place where it rarely gets below freezing most of the time. Wearing things that are more summer-like is a lot of fun when it's not summer. It just gives you those summer vibes, you know? An example of an outfit would be like a summer dress and then throwing over a denim jacket. And then pairing something you'd wear in the summer, like a tube top, with something that will keep you warm, like a cardigan or a denim jacket, whatever, can help you feel more in that summer mood as well. I'm free falling. Retweet if cake donuts are the best donuts, because man, they're good. Okay, the very last thing I have to tell you how to feel like summer is jewelry. So it's such a little thing, but it can make you feel so badass. I always have a scrunchie on me. I have my penguin bracelets I made in my bracelet video. Also, just lots of rings can make you feel really cool. Last but not least, a friend of mine from my old school has a jewelry kind of business. I'll have her account right here, but her account is called Dee Dee's Beaties. She has these super cute, affordable necklaces and anklets and bracelets, and they're so cute. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Aw, I love it so much. Oh, so cute. I will be wearing this all the time. Go check out her little Instagram store. All you do is find one that you like, swipe up, send it to her, you ask her all the questions that you want. She can have them shipped out to you or whatever, but definitely go check her out. They're super cute, super affordable, and I really love them. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully it was relevant in any way to anyone. I don't know. Just really miss summer sometimes, and I just wanted to come back. Love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!